Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Gina and I test easy recipes on the internet that claim to be easy, and then I really see if they're that easy because I'm challenged when it comes to cooking, when it comes to time. So I really want to test these recipes out for you. I hope you'll stick around, press that subscribe button and click the little bell to get a notification every time I release a video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to the end of the video to see the results of this recipe. I will leave all the directions down below, but we're going to use steel cut oats. We're going to have our Instant Pot and we're going to use some water. So we're going to take 1.5 cup of the steel oats and place it in the Instant Pot. And I just get mine from Target. And then we're going to go ahead and add 3 cups of water. And then we're going to close our Instant Pot. Make sure it's in the seal position. Start it on manual, and we're going to start it for 3 minutes on high. Now when your 3 minutes is up, you're going to let the Instant Pot naturally release. It could take 15 to 20 minutes. Mine actually took 17 minutes. So we're gonna open it up and see how it looks. It's looking so thick and so delicious. You can add your favorite toppings that you love in oatmeal, like a little bit of brown sugar, maybe some pecans. That's how we serve it, with some blueberries. Yum, yum. I actually give this a 10 out of 10 for being easy, quick, and everybody loves it. So I definitely recommend this recipe, and I will leave all the information in the description box below. If you want to make this recipe too, let me know how you like it in the comments below, and I will see you next week for a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.